I had this change battery message on my Honda Odyssey dashboard. So I'm changing the battery on this one. It's a little bit different than some of the other keys. It's simple as compared to the other key I had for Acura, where there was a small Phillips screw you need to use, Phillips screwdriver. But this one is just you need to pry it open and you'll see the battery inside. The battery is same, which is very common for these kind of keys, 2032. I ordered a set of 20 batteries from Amazon. It was like $12 or something. After replacement, you just need to put it back together. Just press it together and it will fit. Hope this is informative for you, and thanks for watching.